Hey guys, I'll be showing you how to modify Linux ISO file. The installation file is actually pretty easy to modify if you find the right ISO. This is the easiest modifiable ISO file is Linux's ISO file. This Linux Lite ISO is better. And then choose your mirror. You can do worldwide if your country is not listed here. I'm from USA. I don't know how it knows Arizona crap, but it'll do this crap, and then download the latest one. And it should download. I have a free download manager. I don't know. I keep forgetting to remove it. Well, all you have to do is sit here and wait. I'd like to say at this time, make sure you like and subscribe so you can get more how-to tutorials on stuff like Linux and stuff like Windows too. Software stuff. Okay, now the ISO file is done downloading. You want to right-click this ISO file, show more options, 7-zip, and open archive. And then you go to Casper, and this file system squash fs. You double click that, and it's here. Then you modify whatever you want. Okay, like if you want to modify the boot things, you can. I mean, it takes very hard to modify something like this because it's so much file systems that they put. And also, there's other programs for this. This is mainly for like the main files, but like sometimes it doesn't cover everything because that's how 7-zip is. But this is all I have for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe for future content, and bye.